But honestly,
Keep
in
going.
the WNBA, I don't really think she would have to win a chip to be the best because
Yeah, no, she would.
she's on the worst team in the league.
Yeah, but her team got to get better, or she got to go to another team when her contract up. Something got to give, but
Yeah.
because it's too many. Like Sue Bird, like
So how many is gonna take?
Cheryl
One?
Swoops is it's a lot of That's
Asia
another
Wilson?
joint. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's a lot of joints in WNBA that's like careers is legendary.
Lisa Leslie?
Yeah, if you like actually look at their careers.